In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in CapCut on PC. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so the entire CapCut interface appears in the language you prefer. First, open CapCut on your computer. You can launch it the same way you open any desktop app, and once it's up, wait for the main workspace to load. You don't need to open or create a project for this. The setting we want is available from the main screen. Next, head to Settings. In CapCut, the settings area is where you manage all your preferences. Look for a small gear icon. This is a universal symbol for settings. It's typically visible on the main interface. Click that gear to open the preferences window. If your interface is currently in a language you don't recognize, don't worry. The gear icon looks the same, so you can rely on the icon rather than the text. Inside settings, go to the General section. General is where CapCut keeps basic app options that affect the overall experience. It's often the first or one of the top items in the sidebar, and it's designed to be quick to find. If you're unsure, scan for the word General or a section that groups fundamental app preferences together. Now, choose your language. In the General area, look for the language option. You'll see a drop-down or list of available languages. The languages are typically shown in their own native names, which helps you pick the exact one you want. Click the option that matches your preference. After you select it, CapCut will apply the change to the interface so labels, menus, and tooltips appear in your chosen language. A couple of quick tips to make this smooth. If you're switching from a language you don't understand, remember that the sequence is always the same. Open CapCut, click the gear icon for settings, go to General, then find language. You can also pay attention to the layout rather than the words, since the placement of these sections stays consistent. And if you don't see the language setting right away, scroll within the General section. Some screens condense the list and reveal more options as you move down. That's all there is to it. Open CapCut, go to Settings, head into General, and choose your language. Simple, quick, and it makes your editing environment much more comfortable. If this helped you set up CapCut the way you like, you're ready to jump back into your projects with the interface in your preferred language.